Hello friends, myself Rohit. Today I will discuss renewable energy resource important question series which is important for the various university exams. So let's start the first question. Which of the following is the disadvantage of the renewable energy? So the answer is unreliable supply is the right answer. So option D is the correct. I have mentioned some explanation. You can pause this video and read that things. Question 2. A solar cell is an electrical device that converts the energy of light directly into the electricity by the dash. So the option A is the correct one. Photovoltaic effect is the correct reason for the uh, convert the energy light directly into electricity. Next question, question number 3. Wood is a renewable resource. Yes, the option A is the correct. Wood is the renewable resource. Next question, question number 4. In hydroelectric power, what is the necessary for the production of power throughout the year? So the option number A is the correct. Dam filled with the water. Next question, question number 5. The main composition of biogas is. So the main composition of biogas is methane. So the right answer is option number A. Which ministry is mainly responsible for research and development in a renewable energy or resource such as wind power, small hydro, biogas and solar power? So the right answer is option C, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy is the mainly responsible for research and development of renewable energy source. Next question, which among the following have a large amount of installed grid interactive renewable power capacity in India? So the right answer is wind power. Wind power approx 56.8%. Capacity is 29,000 megawatts. And second is solar power having 9,500 megawatts, 18.5%, and biomass 8,200 megawatts holds, and small hydropower plant having capacity 4,400 megawatts hold 8.5%. The world's first 100% solar powered airport located at so the Cochin is the correct one. Cochin, Kerala is the first 100% solar powered airport. Airport fully solar powered airport on 18 August 2015. Which of the following is not under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? So the large hydropower plants not in New and Renewable Energy Ministry. Next question. Where is the largest wind farm located in India? So the Muppandal wind farm, Tamil Nadu, is the largest wind farm in India. So option B is the correct one. Nuclear energy is the renewable energy. So option B is the correct. False. No, nuclear energy not a renewable energy. Nuclear energy is produced in a nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant uses uranium as a nuclear fuel to generate electricity during the nuclear fission reaction. Uranium is a finite resource, so we cannot consider the nuclear energy produced by the uranium in a nuclear reactor as a renewable energy resource. Next question. Which Indian enterprises has the motto Energy Forever? Option A, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, Indian Non-Renewable Energy Development, Indian Agriculture Development, Indian Biotechnology Development. So the right answer is Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. Next question, question number Next question. A non-renewable resource is a finite resource. This sentence is true or false? So this sentence is true. Explanation. A non-renewable resource does not renew itself on which cannot be regenerated after it is used. So the right answer is option A is true. Which of the below theory is related to the non-renewable resources? So Hartling's theory is used for non-renewable energy resource. Next question. Bill Gates, chairman of the board for the Terra Power Company, is associated in which the following non-renewable resource? So the right answer is nuclear energy. The ballosemetic diagram represents which life cycle? Raw material, discovery, extraction and combustion, and then pollution. Carbon life cycle, earth mineral life cycle, phosphorus life cycle, or fossil fuel life cycle? The answer is the fossil fuel life cycle. Fossil fuel like coal and etc. The primary composition of coal is? So the primary composition is coal is carbon. Which ministry is mainly responsible for refining, distribution, import, export of petroleum products and natural gas in India? So the right answer is Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Option A is the correct. Next question. Where is the first oil well drilled in Asia? So the right answer is Assam. India is the first oil well drilled in Asia. The most abundantly available fossil fuel in India is? So the right answer in this question is coal. Next question. Which of the following non-renewable energy is not classified under a fossil fuel? So the nuclear is not classified under the fossil fuel. Option A is the correct. The major non-renewable energy uses in India is? So the right answer is coal. Natural gas is a non-renewable energy. This sentence is true. How many nuclear power stations are there in India? So the 7 nuclear power stations in India. I have mentioned some explanation. You can pause this video and read that things. There are 7 nuclear power stations are having in India. First is Tarapur, second is Raudbhata, third one is Kundankulam, fourth is Kaiga, fifth is Kakarpara, sixth is Kalpakkam and 7 is Narora. सो फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें और इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों तक शेयर करें ताकि उनके एग्ज़ाम के लिए ये हेल्पफुल हो और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।